Right now in Shelby County, about 27% of third grade students are leaving the third grade not reading on grade level. Summer learning loss is a critical factor in that extreme depressed reading proficiency rate that we have in our community. Literacy Mid-South's role in this work is to provide technical supports and a backbone support system for our community partners across the city of Memphis. We really try to ensure that we have identified programs that exist in every community around the city so that every student can have access to these programs.
It's critically important because many children during the summer don't do anything educationally. They don't read, they don't pick up a book, and a lot of the progress that they make during the school year, they lose some of that during the summer. So doing the reading program would just keep them sharp.
So this summer we're working with about 3,000 students in the kindergarten through 5th grade. While that's a significant amount of students, that's not all the students that need access to these quality programs. This absolutely needs to be a combined effort and a collaborative approach for us to be able to successfully mitigate summer learning loss for all the students in our community. We know that there are many organizations out there that are working with students and doing great work, and we would love to hear from them about what's working well within their programs, as well as learn ways that we may be of a support system for them.